I'm missing me bitty a baby. Nana Pami won't video next cheat, I'm missing me tea a DVD. The finest, or you want this, so it's in the corner of a pampers. Rather than with our clean, and your fake crawl of a sound check. La 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 la, until Simpa Monsella. Radio Nano FM, Bieno, so louder. I dig it up, I dig it, baby, pure. I don't see them ready, the finest. Open up, bring your dancing shoes. And I'll be a flame, party all night long. Who is who? As I born in the and I come in Perry. Oh, hey, the finest. Yo, this is K-Ma, bro. Hype lyrics. The finest.
Akoma Radio 97.1.
Ayuko.
Let's take a walk by the beachside. Show you the world how we are. It's so strong and it feels right. Oh, I said, Mama, tell me who my brothers and cook about time. If you say, Mama, we do one that way. Move a kind of move a case. Move a we need to do it inside out. Say, what be see on just ya. Move to me a hug it, John from my. We need to do it inside out. Say, what be see on just ya. Move to me a hug it, John from my.
Ayuko.
Oh yeah. They call me Eugene, yeah.
ZapNation.net. Ayuko.
If your feelings ever change, just let me know. I tell you, say give me joy. Anything I'm gonna talk, give me life. Other boys
Ayuko.
For your love, I go break every law. I tell you, say give me joy. Anything I'm gonna talk, give me life. Other boys won't move, them me one. For your love, I go break every end to your door, yeah, way. And mommy won't treat me, yeah. I die, yeah, way.
Ayuko.
You drive me crazy, yo. Don't keep me waiting. Easy, man, jolly. I die away. I put my all into you. Under Sam and Jojo, me. Oh, dear. Time and change. I feel
Akoma Radio 97.1.
Ayuko.
Anything you don't want, I go do. Anything I go buy, go be too. Don't you dare take me for a fool. I love you past, no be joke, give me true. Anything you don't want, I go do. Anything I go buy, go be too.
Ayuko.
Don't you dare take me for angel, yeah, way.
Akoma Radio 97.1.
Mommy won't treat me, oh. Yeah. I die away. Missy, I die away. You drive me crazy, yo. Don't keep me waiting. Easy, man, jolly. I die away. You're my song, you're my beats, you're my melody. You're my rhythm, you're my voice, you're my energy. You better be Work the weights and go home, just treats me with courtesy. Tell line between a friend and an enemy. Say me yeah, Bonnie, I don't you keep it in your memory. If you want to let it be, on persuade just let it go. Middle fingers up, they know if you fuck up the energy, it's legendary. I don't want to rush you. In your own time, Yusuf, I don't want to touch you. Practice what you preach. Connection.
Ayiko.
Eja, if you give me benzo, I beg, give me long life. For me and you, baby, I day and night. If I never tell you, no be
Ayiko.
But no be today, oh, why? It's all my die, we are no mamma, and no one I'm show. We don't have
For the finest, and I Kwame Perry. For the finest, and I Kwame Perry.
What a shock me, boy, and Pape, I beg you,
Ayiko.
I know talks, I know want money, but first thing first, do one for me.
Ayiko.
To my name, my view, na me goody. I know talks, I know want money, but first thing first, do one for me. To my name, my view, na me goody. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. No any nature a dozen. But you only live once, so your love, I'm in control. If you
Ayiko.
nobody knows tomorrow. No any nature a dozen. But you only live once, so your love, I'm in control.
Ayiko.
Yeah, Babe, I beg you, love.
Ayiko.
And Babe, you want to shock me, boy. Yeah, Eja, if you give me benzo, I beg, give me long life, oh. For me and you, baby, I day and night, oh. Peace and I met I don't be my bite, oh. I don't say one day we go die. But no be today, oh, why? It's all my carry, I know I'm in qua, and no one I be to show, I don't have me why. And
Ayiko.
On Common Radio 97.1.
Ayiko.
Hey, on Common Radio.
It's like something doing me bad, yeah. Oh, are you looking for me? Well, bye, yeah. Oh, nah, eh. It's like I'm walking far away too. Baby, don't try me, come closer, let me do this.
Ayiko.
The way you do me so, don't call me bye-bye. I've been needing my peace, so it's like there's something burning down. When you do me like this, and I really wanna say nice things, just go shut your door. Oh, you know why we still we go inside the grave. Yeah. Cause if you willing, now my like Bakala miss you know. Bakala miss you know. Another hate you know. Another hate you know. Bakala miss you know.
Ayiko.
Bakala miss you know. Cause if you're willing, normally this, I will come through. I will come running, riding with you. You know, like this, so oh yeah. And if you tell me your wishes, I will come through. I will come running, riding with you. You know, like this, so it's like I'm walking far away too. Baby, don't try me, come closer, let me do this. The way you do me so, don't call me
Ayiko.
I've been needing my peace. inside that grave.
Are you cool? Are you cool?
Are you
Cause
cool?
if you really know my like Pakala, miss you know. Pakala, miss you know. Another hate you know. Another hate you know. Pakala, miss you know. Pakala, miss you know.
Are you cool? Are you cool?
Are you cool? Are you cool?
Are you cool? Are you cool?
Like dog, and the man stay in human form. By the man, nobody like walk, but you must hustle if you want chop. In no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fika.
Are you cool? Are you cool?
I know they
Are you
won't say I
cool?
too righteous. No con they form say you don't like us.
Are you
We
cool?
no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money.
Are you cool?
Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green
Okuma
like
Radio,
broccoli. Steady on the
97.1.
grind, no hear what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. They want to check if my tap in the rush. But he they rush where well he be much. Now gotta make my tap in the rush.
Okuma Radio, 97.1.
He dey rush where he be more. There's no darling with darling. So ba body, eh, be ba body, ba body, eh, be ba body, ba body, ba da ba body, ba. So for me, Jack,
Are you cool? Are you
I dey
cool?
go
Are you
Ghana.
cool?
You never thought you dey from papas. Which kind money we never see before. Go sell on me, for me feeling I'm the one I say.
Are you cool?
I never take my cake away. I say you can count my grace. I just stay my lane.
Are you cool?
You know
Are you
get the
cool?
time for
Are
the
you
hate
cool?
and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance
Okuma
like
Radio, 97.1.
steady green like broccoli. Steady
Are
on
you
my grind,
cool?
no hell what they want telling me.
Okuma
Put it
Radio,
on my heart.
97.1.
They want to check if my time in the rush. But he they rush where well he be much. Now gotta make my tap in the rush. The kind money we talk. He
Are
they
you cool?
rush. He they rush where well he be much. He be much. He be much.
Are you cool? Are you cool? Are you cool?
One more time. He dey rush where he be more.
Are you cool?
Now
Are
gotta
you
make
cool?
my
Are you
stop.
cool?
He dey rush.
Are you cool?
Got money with us. Yeah. He dey rush where he be more. He be more.
If you get a woman, hold am tight, oh.
Are you cool?
Yeah, my
Are you
guys we
cool?
dey for
Are you
bike, oh.
cool?
Now location day for mind, oh. If you leave your woman, she go off pant, oh.
Are you cool?
No be lie, oh. We go use it up blind the eyes, oh. Me and my guys, we know they smile, oh. Big talk boys, we know they lie, oh. Big talk boys, we know they fear nobody. And you see wahala, we get them full for body, yeah. Only one thing we know they like na police.
Okuma Radio, 97.1.
Want to my enemies.
The finest, Nana Kwame Perry.
Try me, yeah. The thing they hit me like a bongo.
Yes, just about 40 after 12, and you are live
The condo.
on Okuma 97.1 Radio. This is the best radio station with yours truly, Nana Kwame Perry. Waiting me up from the finest and men, you know, catch you in me. with my guest DJ Easy Weezy.
Dark boys, we know they fear nobody.
I say a very wonderful good afternoon going out to my entire people out there doing the listening. You on the right at the right time.
We know they lie.
Mami mama de yama munyina akwaba ediba ayuko jumedi no so taxi driver trotro driver. Wo bia wo tie me bia no. Wonye mfom so okra so do kasa fidie na to a. Ye bedi nkomo. Ya bomodin ya wo share the food and they all my would I will show my birthdays ronko. You can do yours by sending it to a WhatsApp line 0551667755 and our bomodin Nafafa a Facebook live, and so we are live. Okuma Radio 97.1, YouTube Okuma Radio 97.1, Twitter at Okuma 971. WhatsApp again 0551667755. Why needing our then there person wishing or happy birthdays, Ronko?
They can't touch my destiny.
Memo who near one need you I would that and there.
Them of them hits me, I go.
Yes, still in the birthday mood. Yesterday was my birthday. Once again, belated happy birthday going out to myself, Lord Kenya, and the Dusty. Yes, it's a blast. And a very big thank you to Obi Biara wishing me happy birthday, Indra. Your messages, your gifts, whatever. I do appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for making me the finest. And I remember Philly Radio. Let me enjoy what radio so. Now you made it live on Okoma 97.1. Hey, are you cool? I just say yeah. Mami fast rakese enfama ensunya me choba.
Let no man curse you, Jaja.
Hey, Safari.
If you won't try me, if you
Ako. I'm also supporting me. Chill out. Not forgetting Don Pablo Pab. Super planche. I'm gonna kutame. I'm a way. Maybe I can't walk 2 p.m. Never hear a poem within some kakra. Think about Modia. I heard some man crowfobi di home come. You cry a birthday wishes and no messages out there far a year. Both a year WhatsApp and the Facebook, YouTube, all the social media handles in England. Imagine brain my kind of a fair. So person tongue crowd them out of be. So person catch you be so near in the home. So catch you be say be whatever conversation. Our faces is me reading it loud. Live for Okoma 97.1. My crowd say me no be did you medi in a boom. And it's 44 after 12. Mami mama de ankoje aboa for kraton bra me koje kraton ne ba ne aka wa three na door. So more to come on your radio Okoma 97.1. Once again, my single call me Nana Kwame Perry. Ubetimi afro me the finest. The meme nyina aka three me. I'll be right back.
Bro, Kojo, obey exams na we try no yopo say. Eh, na ifa na alternate textbooks no efi.
Bini abia, me bay adusua fapem enyina ejina Runis Bookshop and Stationery so. Say open exercise books, textbooks, calculators, mathematical sets OB. Obake to ensu ya enche obehye suku asi. Orokwa na ni wakwa akoto ni crayons, color pencil, sketchbook and afin so no eye erasers na ede yafi Runis Bookshop and Stationery.
Enti me ba panyi owo secondary school nso no men den.
Insuro Runis Bookshop e books edema mofra efi nursery ekopim senior high school nyina ebi e wona aso yi obaki to enso wona nursery no eba ni crayons, color pencil, erasers and afil sharpeners oko Runis Bookshop and Stationery onsabeka.
Hey sir, na ifa na me hu Runis Bookshop and Stationery tra kwan.
Runis Bookshops and Stationery ewo Mamfia Kwapem police station no anim hope ana frɛ no ewo 0249 219 599 0249 219 599 ana 0243 946 483 0243 946 483. Runis Bookshop and Stationery ana wama humesia ayete.
Me
Ampa nene de mi adma miskin say. Black spots J menimbos. Na mi read den swaye basa. Wager me a rewo any agenje. Kopem sebe yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of products ma'am. Glutathione ni collagen component a iwumni CSC honam. Etieni na emani ye fesronko. Hydroquinone nim. Enti emane ha okra. Gluta wide sebenshia. Wama me read the IFE. Ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia. Enkratwe FDA ajiatu.
Offla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Offla Construction Limited Company in Penny for say. And yes, cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubamadia do any trauma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Some person to call site a woodwork. Concrete product. And almost supply a war and near and for Bibi Biara Upebia or building site war. Kaiser almost they are into real estate development and so it would I know person who began in Tempa. Offer Offla Construction Limited Company. Wobejo so for any job Busmasi Krapim, a monochrome Krapim, Koforidia, Asunde Junction, was Sabeka Offla Construction Limited Company war from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and a 027 90 954. Book on social media handles in a Offla Construction Limited Company. Once I ever come, Kaisa we free delivery. Baby, I will be in phone. You never could down Tempara. Say Offla dia and there you are not building. Kayo, say Offla Construction Limited Company. Your property are priority.
Fufuo Festival Jack for all in our two baby na yen copy bono so Okuma Radio 97.1 2023 ekwapo kwapim odrano for the first time Okuma Eddie Fufuo Festival no Eddie bro okwapman nyina ebeye the style bi remember naka I say fufuo no eye free you hear eye wankasa wasanka dwumade nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric anymore ekwapo ekwapim on the 1st of October 2023 ebrano anopa no watch till you drop Bibiani na pese bia woni mpanyin for twetwe nkomo ana pese to stand na wankata do ton ne ma bia betimi mpanyin for twetwe nkomo e wo 0549012454 0549012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo bramie ni fufuo style bia
Ghana man hiam puntuo okuape man hiam puntuo kanko ene nkoso se we betumi abemu a age okoman kasa entitie me ewu ebi ka kire kwesi apia apreku wo okoman kasa dwumedie so wo okoman 97.1 radio so efre adwoada kosi fiada anopa no nsia ene fa kosi nondu
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM ye doyetie foye pa ne senti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bibiara ene nwumaku aworo se wo pese ye bo ne ma wo dero edema wa ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa ana sa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra ana sa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa live ewo Okuman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefreyen ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594630059 ana 0246246875 Okuman Radio ana okriape mayano
Ayiko
Okuman Radio 97.1
Ayiko
Baby, calm down. Yo, this your body, put him out for lockdown, oh lockdown.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
If I tell you, say I love you, no day for me, young girl. Oh, young girl.
How you cool?
Baby, come give me your lo. You got me. Shawty, come give me your lo. I see this man girl for my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl that they do too much, but this girl mellow. And I ain't mind if I ain't situation, I go use it, tell I'm mellow. Finally, I find way to talk to the girl, but she know my so who you gonna phone for? Why you know I go for?
How you cool?
But she did give me small. I know, say she's a bit pass it down. But she feeling insecure, cause her friends go, they come a light drink, go on. Could they come a light drink, go on. Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, put in my ass for lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. Oh, yeah, phantom. If I tell you, say I love you, no day for me, hang out. No, tell me, no. Baby, come give me your love. You got me, baby, you got me. Shawty, come give me your love. As I reach my house, I say, make a rest my walls. As me awake on, she dem my mind on. Day one, day two, one of you go us. Now so me I call say me we link go up. And as I start to the time, you know what it is. Oh baby girl, if you leave me, I don't go love again. Because you get many girls we pull my heart again. Feel my pain. Baby, calm down. Oh yeah, calm down. Yo, this your body, put in my ass for lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. Oh yeah, phantom. If I tell you, say I love you, no day for me, hang out. Oh yeah, no, tell me, no. Baby, come give me your love.
How you cool?
Baby, you got me. Shawty, come give me your love. Sugar cane sweet, but girl, your love is sweeter. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Yeah. Oh, girl, I wanna be with you. But you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you. I get it easy when I can't let go. Girl, you never know, say you're going to man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, say you're going to yeah. Match on your chin, I walk out on door. Coming like a thief in the night, long joy. Girl, you know, say all of my niggas them poor. Nothing you could ever need at all. Match on your chin, I walk out on door. Taking it a brick at them, me, I know the rush. Baby, if you want me, catch it up with my miss, I would on me, yeah. Show me your chicken, let me see. And let me see the woman that is sweet. I put a couple $1,000 on your wrist. They can't touch you, yeah. I ain't never seen this kind, but you do some kind thing, make me feel some kind work. You know I'm not just trying to get lit, cause I know some kind, do it for some kind. Baby, make a fire you with my machine gun. 16 pounds, I be King Kong. Make us support you, my brand new song. Baby, love, hey. Be with you, but you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you. I get it easy why I can't let go. Girl, you never know, say you come back so. Man, damn, so far to find you. Hey, girl, you never know, say you come back so. Man, damn, so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, say you come back so. Man, damn, so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, say you come back so. Man, damn, señorita, mamacita.
How you doing?
Nice to meet ya, the Mississippi. get your body a thing or two, yeah. If you know the things we'll do. This love no be joke, no April fool, yeah. Guess mama, you miss a girl. 5-star, boomba, nyatapa. Kapa, meka tambiki nangopa. Oh man, in my bravo, yeah. All of my guys are dogs, but you know I'm rude though. Tell me if you wanna give it up. I travel miles for your love, hey. All of them guys don't want you. They don't know that I got you. They never been what we been through. Cause you're my obsession. When I put you in the front, screw. Shorty wanna ride in my backseat. Would you tell me what you want, what you fancy? Yeah. Oh girl, I wanna be with you. I got it, yeah. I wanna be with you. I got it easy why you can't let go. Yeah, you never know, say you're congrats up.
Alcoma Radio 97.1.
Say you're congrats up. Man, them so far to find your love. Yeah, you never know, say, yeah. Man, them so far to find your love. Yeah, you never. Yo. Me don't say, shake it, bum. African lady, shake it, bum. Yeah, bum. No. Shake it, bum. Shake it, bum. African
For your love I go fiki man, yeah, baby I can. Cause this thing I feel inside, yeah, they weigh me down. Or the way I fly south, yeah, and no lights out.
Alcoma Radio 97.1.
But I be now, I'm not like that. Yeah, slow. Yeah, do me slow, my vina. No, they fast, they go. Yeah, they can slow, my vina. Now your love I want. Yeah, stand my front. Yeah, no lights out. Can't cool me down. Yeah, oh baby, balance it. Yeah, ooh, balance it. Ooh, baby, balance it. Ooh, balance it. Ooh, balance it. Ooh, balance it. Ooh, baby, balance it. Ooh, balance it. Ooh, my teacher. Fall away. Can't do me say my baby no get time to fake. She can't ease my brain. Leave me I no get down. She call me I can't cool down. My baby my right hand man. See man no fit and run. For your love I go fiki man.
Alcoma Radio 97.1. Alcoma Radio 97.1.
Or the way I fly south, yeah, and no lights out. Now my face you go look dead on, but I be now I'm not like that. Say, oh baby balance it, yeah, ooh balance it, yeah, ooh baby balance it, yeah, ooh balance it, ooh balance it, yeah, ooh balance it, yeah, ooh balance it, yeah, ooh balance it, ooh. How you cool?
Alcoma Radio 97.1.
Imano they fall away. Can't they do me shame? My baby no get time to fake. She can't they ease my brain. Leave me I no get down. She call me I can't cool down. My baby my right hand man. See man no fit and run. For your love I go fiki man. Yeah, baby I can. Cause this thing I feel inside. Yeah, they weigh me down. Or the way I fly south. Yeah, and no lights out. Now my face you go look dead on. But I be now I'm not like that. Yeah, oh baby balance it. Yeah, ooh balance it. Yeah, ooh baby balance it. Yeah, ooh balance it. Yeah, ooh balance it. Yeah, ooh
Ayiko.
Stumbuai, Awangada, Bimban, Sobolo, Soba, Ba, Sobolo, Soba, Sobolo, Soba, Ba, Sobolo, Soba, Ade, Scampedim, Bomborobo, Seredim, Simborobo, Pipidim, Borokoto, I. Some cut down, I'm a general responsibility, see me now, so. Maswa obi da bana kuma ne ne kire symmetry so
Ayiko
tell me every day them me so do you oh I never them jealous me cause she love me alone and you don't want to I see
Ayiko
me so me pe Sarah only you are the see me no see no other girl all them one way rushing on me
Ayiko
Oso broche fon sabe o meni Oso broche fon sabe o meni Lu enye shi me o mama Se me u enye shi me o mama Se me u enye shi bra bra Se me u enye shi Campedip, Bomporobo, Pedim, Simborobo, Pedim, Borokotum. Oh, I wanna make you know, say you be special, or that you know be wholesale. My love for you, when they make me wanna take you to the promised land like Moses. They say who say, they never know say, I never listen to no hearsay. They say who say, they never know say, forever together we'll stay. Oh, I tell them say you and me will live on. See my shoulder, girl, come lean on. Girl, my love knows no season, it is unconditional. Yeah. So if I never met you, what would I say? And some roche from Sabe or many. Into the eye. Oso broche from Sabe or many. Send me who and yashi. 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 Mebo, Adai. Spampedim, Bomporobo, Sporobodum, Simborobo, Spampedim, Borokotum. Sweet highlight music from the coast of Ghana, the red, gold, green, and the black stars. Highlight music is the originator, the origination, and the foundation of the African music we have today. This one is taken from the archives, the classical archives of the great one, the legendary one, Dr. Pabu. Tell them say you and me will live on. See my shoulder, girl, come lean on. Girl, my loving knows no season. So if I never met you, what would I say? I saw Roger from Zambia, into the eye. I saw Roger one son, no. I saw Roger weak, you know, or back, you know. Cruciano Fawo, the who and Yashi, send me who and Yashi, Mama, send me who and Yashi, send me pipe and Yashi, send me program Yashi, Mewo, somebody, Ayiko.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
All of the things I'm talking about, yeah. Say
everything I do if you're not the fair. My mind they tell me to disappear. So come and help me, cause I don't pray. My man, I don't pray. Come on, man, I can't stay for one day. For God's sake, take my pain away from you.
Are you cool? Are you cool?
Are you cool?
They are talking so what I'm not getting me. See you for forward, I put my ass. Let's start final.
Are you cool?
Offshore, but mine. I don't pray, Mohammed. I don't pray. Come on, man, I can't stay.
Are you cool? Are you cool?
Are you cool?
Come on, ginger me. Only you can feel my best. Give me vitamin.
Are you cool?
My radio 97.1.
Are you cool? Are you cool?
Are you cool? Are you cool?
Are you cool?
Are you cool? Are you cool?
Are you cool?
Yes, it's just about 8 after 1, and you're tuning to a Commander 97.1 radio. You're from Nana Kwame Peru, but me from the finest, and me, you know, catch you in me. Yes, I told you your afternoon just got better. I could see off, I could see answer. No one would you my for you, me, mom. Good afternoon. Not forgetting my very own Anajo. Choba wabutechi ensu nyame ye ejumayefo amwo nyina mo ye me shai mo fata nka ho mami no ni dwa kakra ewe imagine say wabomode anya fufuo bi ne laisu bi ya ponchen kwan na ponchini bi wo no ma wote ne kwan pampan na sani eti no eso ani ensa okachire enipa ani nyina gira na pomuden so na okodidi se anuane na wankodi aduane pandi wo baabi esese wodi aduane na okodi wo aduane asambre once na boso aduane asambre baabi ye aduane kura no wo hwe ne ye bia enkoyi kura obrodi verse not anything assembly make come for so nyame ye choba de ama we say assembly a wo be call lunch won odofo bi ko hia na makama no kakra isane se won fa ye fu pan en hyen aben eti taxi driver trotro drivers yesi kromo ha ana Ghana ha wo pe ba bia aduane e de pa omo betimi a cho say aduane e taxi driver trotro drivers en munyina munim wo ka o say ye no bi ajoso ye isani enso nyame e choba anti dodo na friend of you wa choba wo man fi kapem efufuo kokonti omutu live soup with meat and fish just enkwan na hodo nyina no wudu foriwa obi ewe esese obomode didi wudidi nso didi good na feel good anything I make come for enso nyame ye choba e dia ma wo ewo manfi we were just behind the apostolic church no one way in this war manfi new road in so Wonsa ebeka enso nyame ye choba wo ho. Ewie go didi. Esane se wo didi good ah. E ma wo feel good. Na CK Asari Hardware Penny4 say we Upe baby obetimi enya POP cement and Samri skimming powder, fiber, binding wire, plywood, plaster boards, Omega channel, Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery. Exercise books and also from GDA1A1C. Nina Omobi. Teachers' notebooks, A4 sheets, diaries, markers, calculators. Any storybooks I would draw, crayon and pencils, Bible, staplers, any pins, correction flues, dictionary, set square. What are you James name them? Nina for any chair Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery for sure. Go one month police station or any pair. As when he and saw catcher that special person and some part. The school books in here sorted. Can't catch the Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery. Away over chili or tray. The canton Kalani books in go answer. And yes, a baby work out with him. Nothing Calabia school. I won't say any number to home. Mama baby's house and Nasikano way. Sikano why Rooney's was 0249-219-599 and 0243-946483 0249-219-599 and 0243-946483 Rooney's Bookshop, learning made easier. And Rami birthday. Miwaha na Inshaba Kojo manager era hamote sena menene twetwe komo. No se nana. Ye no sha se enye ne. Enti esese ne wawoda no. Kojo se memra. Na baby apesa ukobia memfa onko. And I'm sure erade. We papa onye ntonjere. I was very happy to see my brother. I feel to be free Kojo. Inshaba. Oh, William Beduha. Madam say. Chill out E3 and pop. Any baby I made in the question was hey, you're crapping her baby sour. And I'm so really when it's ya. So when he saw catch you. When it's your so ain't me ninya. What about was a menko baby? I'm a babyano. Pamiko chill out. You chill out and your fried rice with chicken, jollof with chicken. Plain rice with gravy, plain rice with a vegetable stew, assorted fried rice, assorted jollof. All kono bagi bi kregu bag mu. Esa and the CK chiri so de koma. Adofo won cry. I'm sure that is good. I wish I would take up Hana pe baby. I'll bet me assorted papa asamre ede. Asamre yabomodia yana kama pa. Any plain rice with vegetable stew, assorted fried rice, assorted jollof. Banku with great tilapia. Edriani asambre. Yabomadia Jim Brian kama. Upa bia edi na wo kwapem ha ana wo nie kwapem akra na otime nka abri biara obeto afa kwapem no wo so wo ko eye chill out eatery and pub eba spring rolls shawarma afa sandwich ne the types bia wo pe bia wo nsa beka bi wo can chill out eatery and pub chill drinks non-alcoholic and alcoholic beverages ni nyina wo nsa beka bi cocktail cra tutua wo Ekufu road no so wo bomodin do police station ho district wo wonsa ebeka chill out eatery and pub ewo ho ebushia from 0554 039939 and 034989227 0534989227 and answer 0554 039939 Woka chill out eatery and papa OCD good. Now bomodin are feeling good. Are you aware that the biggest pool party is about to hit your street? Equiapem on your mass. Guess set. Yenina ye Koko CBA Hotel. Superb lunch in collaboration with Koi CBA Hotel. And it is the first ever biggest pool party. Yeah, 20 days splash. Powered by Superb Lounge. And on at the pool party ever on the second day in the month of October 2023. Nakaiso Trey one co Superb Panoyam from Swo is another that is the official party center. Namika say 12 artists on one stage day after day. On Betcho Sampa by Call Me. And your mother Costa Samson America says almost Sunday in Bebasu Superb Lunch as well. So make a date, don't be late. Rating a cool 100 Ghana City for the pool party, no. We'll call Air CBA Hotel reception on Sabekebi. Have a Superb Lunch. You know, say your man pony crapim Saturday Kofi Kinata air pass it to large and in charge. It is all better baby weekend we are. But they are to Superb Lunch or Mampong. White Junction is right opposite OPK. On Sabeka Superb Lunch or Kofi Kinata will be passing through. And if you come and love a neighbor for a reservation, and I say, no, Castle Pesa will you booking be 0544 665797 0544 665797. Superb Lunch, the official party center. Don Pablo Papa said, Minchia away. Namin Control say white on jeans. Party no air basso. Don Pablo Papa in collaboration with Sandy's Grill. And I'm about the adding to my bon to my Emu Emma Sambre, Omo did you make the air bro? Odre, Upa baby, Obenya, shakes papa. Smoothie papa. Asambre Tiapa, Don Pablo. Mandela Junction, Kaisa Wenyan Krabata for Fro. Ewo Alive Filling Station in Chemope. It is the biggest air party. And so a basu Drambre, Ewo Don Pablo Pub. The Chirenia Bank Alive Filling Station, Sunday's Grill Honum. And no more bomarding to my bon to mano. But over there, a year weekend, no. So, Upa baby, I bet me I relaxed. Now I enjoy smoothies, I hold all flavors. But my answer would win the better a Don Pablo Pub from 0552 30 2607 0552 30 2607 and at 050 200 8200. And then come on, and Nam Town is brought to you by Can Courtesy SB Anointed Automobile for now. Come on, Nam Town Power, yeah. Make sure on somewhere across the town. When him said Nam one issue, no. Nah, me be Sancro for a men's go to for a Moko investment. I was saying. Yes, it's a candidate betio. Nemo ya bomodiama a nam one a year 500,000 bill. Yes, it Thursday CBN so more the answer than the passport to police station. On fine report it. And some see what Ghana. But all the same, and then why need in a water? Call Facebook at Yokuma Radio 97.1, YouTube Yokuma Radio 97.1, Twitter at Yokuma 971, Instagram at Yokuma 971. For WhatsApp messages in the Brazil 0551667755. All right, enjoy good music on radio. Meba, me do apomo den sembe bro. Nefe, the people's favorite. Me me drop it as at 2 p.m. Good afternoon, Ghana.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Ayiko.
You know the name, right? Little things that you do when you say, cook the food, let me wash the bowls. Come here, baby, let me touch your toes. Make me love you more when you
tantanity, Minyan Suba, Onimi Bebobra, Debbie and Jokwa, any area who a Shemiko Rasuma, Nisio Wana Miti, Dagada, Kosama me, Gajenjui. Mayema come monina, the Ama was sending a peppy abe. I could have stopped breathing if you told me to. Send me wap no other game. Never meant it in Magoma, Benjamin so. Nara hukum soon soon. Dagada, Kosama me, Gajenjui. Dagada, Kosama me, Gajenjui. Or I'm Pemini Masha,
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Nami am shishimi so biba, so samray etienne wadi. And for semi your biba, so me muta sako siana men free one semambo. Nase wun to mia, yami maminko. And for semi your biba, so me muta sako siana men free one semambo. Nase wun to mia, yami maminko. Dagada. Kosama me, Gajenjui. Dagada. Kosama me, Gajenjui. Oh,
Ayuko. It's a one-night job.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Ubebrako faba. Then swafi, afingere baya. Sio kekeneto.
The finest and a Kwame Perry. The finest and a Kwame Perry.
Warana okayo. Ijamkura unimia neshe. So I fade in a buyer. We are keke nebo. Now, which in the pension, yeah. Ayuko.
Okoma Radio 97.1. Okoma Radio.
What is love? Is it nature's trick to ensure continuity? What is love? Is it a hidden brick that will
Okuma Radio
insanity?
97.1.
What is love? Is it an actor's skill that evokes little reality? What is love? Is it a sudden thrill which is not meant for eternity? Woman is mama de me when my bang. But you know, China went in for corn and saying, I proud that no man on my own farmer. Udanen to man come on, mommy semda. Umwekana mumuntina minya watinka. Bemunya mumasuma come say one can. Goodbyes are not bye byes. Bad byes are from bad guys with bad vibes. So bye bye.
I can't believe I can't take control of myself, baby. Makoma bomb me bang bang bang. Me feel anase me nyauma unko. Na me nkofi enko swana, baby. Anka Mr. Playboy dear. Kebani zena mi huaba. Makoma bomb me bang bang bang. But this feeling is so different. What reason will I give my heart if I should let you go, baby? Cause I wanna know you. Into sweetie, me pesa mini udi unkomo kitu webi. Asha me so sabe sinde. Kewa makume muni na na say I love you, ooh, baby. Wanna marry you, oh baby. Can't live without you.
How you cool? How you cool?
You're the only one.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Wanna be with you forever.
I wanna be right next until the day that I'm feeling lifeless, you know. And I ain't playing with emotions, I'm just swimming in the oceans till the feelings digest. I know I've done a lot of good, some bad. I took some jabs from all your friends, it made me look so sad. And I ain't going back the same route. Cause even mommy and daddy, they used to argue on bad inside the same house. Couple days ago, now my mama wearing the same blouse. But I ain't trying to bring the history, I'm just trying to show you what this love shit don't get to me.
What reason would I have given my heart if I let you go?
You're the only reason I can take you deeper. Cause you're looking like a goddess and I'm trying to be a keeper. I'm trying to be attached, stay glued like a sneaker. Cause every time we fight you got me burning out of reefer. My boys will tell me not to give up, but when it comes to you, you know I never give it up.
How you cool? How you cool?
Yes, it's just about 36 after 1, 20th day in the month of September 2023. And right about time to my brother John Peter Nyako. It is your birthday, JP, today as well. Going out to you, Kwasi J, Pa Kwasi J, Boga Kwasi J, UK. Formerly, you were in charge of sales. Welcome on her. And now, so you are with Pa Kwasi J Michael. Before I give you a third bit, Neno, Mami Momo Dia. And found call the biggest microfinance I may know say. Omobu and crank you went to me agina. Na minim sen krofo bebre da dwen easy wa hai ne da dwen pa yesika so benya ka crash na tar so oni problem sika ni moja sika moja pa odi e da wu ni hwe wo ho no na nyame ye wado na onya be se 1000 bi 500 bi even 200 cedis bi na de shower tar so a unze wiase nyina is under control. But right about time, the Mami Momadian phone copy mu quick credit and investment microcredit limited for sure ye enkrang and ubutu near Tidden. Quick writing for us, me as same tia. Near all kind of says, I'm the open startup loan. So, pebbles here be now, they share you maybe I say. I when you hear be about now, pebbles here be now, the abomadi I could share a year. Baby, Eddie, you won't have his sound here anymore. Oh, my crowd is on bedroom will be. If you are catching a Kamukakra, as soon as you can, the idea, your free BB salary loans. If you working capital loans, any business loans, no quick credit and investment, micro credit limited, I crowd is on bedroom be a way. Ain't a real wood, me, I mean, Casabi bring Kun some boy. Nemon Pesa Umima who near call. Na woman with tete phone so anasa ube to ana mombia wabo modien hu baby a wo call so no wo de befa enyo obi an ye kana ya asem kire no ube kan be wie na ube bisa nipa ne se na me pacho obetimi abo am ya na o se sia na me baba ako efrem so no nso ye tu no woni dan mu na waka wa asem awie ofi wa so okotena joint bi no de edi nkomo quick ready say twasa de nyina so na man life enye easy emaun nya wo hia ye Ghana card keke wo Ghana card a ene yebohie aye crowd we de amaun nsi woni so ye kuma bi keke 030 2200 390 030 2200 390 and 0596 920833 quick credit as the lending make easier. Ewo mu a nipa woti wiase esese o ma okra ekra ba ne ho so enne minim se John Peter wanko ba bia akra no de nani be che safari Eye Valley Eco Park sounds na kwa kwasi eje me no ka say de UK no butu enti ani jeri nyina ono zo one side ho ba JP wudi obi akra fo wanko a me de wo beko Safari Valley Eco Park for say Whooper baby a wodofo no be man na unsampa wodwen ne ho wo pesa we experience the real nature wo pesa unsampa ewiase enye ni nyina na ase ye man ye dadwen ewo mu na nipa watimi afili free kakra me mpesa me ka che say sa ohaw ana mani hunu na egba wa akwa mu no to bigu jagu wachi wa tena se na wo se nipa yankwa na kura kai wasase so dey imagine say we di 15 years is here sanfa eye age dodo aka no fa ka ho na rese nipa edi kura na ye beji wo wiase ya meji hwe nti wo mu anu achele kakra wo mu no abomodin akɔhye baabi kakra no watimi ajuani baby American for the amount Safari Valley Eco Park on ma we experience real nature to the highest point. Talking about a wall experience talk gas omugo and watch in a restaurant and so ho it wabomodi chimo we no ultimate tenacity didi woodin so a local and continental dishes in available. Last time I call her which is about a month ago. I really enjoyed myself. Environment in the crowd conducive so bad dream. For your happiness, for an adventure. Visit nowhere by Safari Valley Eco Park from 059 6914 394 059 6914 394. Safari Eco Park, bringing you closer to nature. And it's just about 42 after 1. And then mommy mama the phone call health bit for the day. Wouldn't you say enche biana maybe catch it for Endra? Say nipa o pese wapo mudin say ampa ekoyia. And you might be one of my so. Excessive air alcohol and you're very good cry to your health and you cry and wow. It will be a Samuel will be a really dear young car saying Ruby. There more limitations at home. Emane mboroso. Isane say bibia obemana boroso wo abrabo mu bia no. Ade mienu na de brɛ o. Eka. Ana say nim go asie. Enti awai me healthy bit amede ma say avoid taking excessive alcohol because it's very harmful to your body and I say your health. Se wono mon samana buruso. Mr. Watiso. All right, me do be see ya. Remember I say it's brought to you by Kankasi. Egg dot ventures on my time and I'm a more than I do healthy beat here the bro. About 6 inches hollow blocks, about 6 inches solid blocks, 5 inches hollow blocks, 5 inches solid blocks. Nina be a ho daching a croponic crapem. A hometown a guest house no junction super before Dacha Clinic was Abeka Egg dot ventures from 0544 364 354. Nana say bejo so. I wish you kayo. So we Juma Monday to Sunday, 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. So pass out turn the door. Now says a minka will say, or sound so our baby, I would turn prepaid. Baby, I'll pass out prepaid. Nenko ye quanting ting amount. Mo matia di, mo friend now say. I pretty beer so deaf you now like to crack off no dear friend no. Na famita number ni chana keke. And your the number sitting in Abema no one sign and your light view. Friend now say was 053 4987122. Now say anopa area in your Oka 8 ventures are. Or see we got you sorted. Yeah, from an Kwame Perry. Wait me from the finest and meme in our catch me. Eja do him broom. Ujrano if yada. Ne memory da and ne kwesi ada ne de live band tuchi awo home and away bar. Eja do ewa him broom. Ye di fufu no. Fufu party no. Eba so shoe fabric any hopper. Tell that special person say on the 1st of October, the biggest fufu party about our kwemu. Ye ko hwin kwan ni atafr ya batwe. And once again, the live band section so be koso ewe Jedus by home and away ahim bro. Eja do michiao. Me want good afternoon we. All right, me kwaba. Na ye no mo edi o ma woden de no. Mabomori adi abetu dwa no ma we show happy birthday shonko. If messages aba fidue mu hanyina wonso betumi de odi abeka ho. Facebook your command radio 97.1, YouTube your command radio 97.1, Twitter at command 971, Instagram at command 971. Once again, happy birthday going out to Kwesi J Pa Kwesi, and going out to you John Peter Nyako Ado. It is your birthday today. And this is from me to you. Good afternoon.
DonnaMotion.com.
You know the name, right? F-Y-A. When the morning sun sweeps across my room as I waken from another dream of you, you be staring at me, giving me a kiss, say honey, play me a song, sip a melody, it be something who say, although baby. You came along when I was nobody, nobody. Then show me how to be somebody, somebody. Hey, you better hold back, she fell. Oh, I go die with you, get bad boy. every hour. You say the things that only make me stronger. You give me the strength to accept the things I cannot change.
How you cool?
Baby, I'm not here, now you're true. Who should make friends say, go cry for. You came along when I was nobody, baby. Then show me how to be somebody. Oh, he fell. I go die with you, give a bad boy. He said, oh, yeah, and so, my love. The best in me. You bring out the best in me.
How you cool?
The words you say hurt me so much. I shouldn't so much anymore than and Chana nipa who afno nipa. I know they bother too much, but men so me what feelings be. And see we am a dear, I'm a tinny. So me best me de who before be me move. Treat me like your brother, and treat me like your sister, and make me one of your own. Treat me like your sister, treat me like your brother, and treat me like your sister, Please make me one of your own. Treat me like your sister, Ain't it so woman, come me the baby, Wami, the house is here.
How you cool?
Mother dear fruit sunny woman, but it be like nipper be a shimpo. This world and its caliber of people. And they will watch now with a pump. It's a love for another. Cause nobody knows you more. And your mommy back then still a woman. I could be one of them. Treat me like your sister, and make me one of your own. Treat me like your sister, treat me like your brother, and treat me like your sister,
How you cool?
Please make me one of your own. Treat me like your sister,
Treat me like I'm one of yours. Promise I won't have enemy. Say I'm a phone wife for Jeremy. Cause many bad intention against you until my phone will correct me. You are come and when I pour me. Owns I mean one pass someone. Don't turn your back on me.
How you cool?
Do me like I do to you. Treat me the way you want me to treat you. Cause I could be one of yours, yeah.
treat me like your brother, and treat me like your sister, and make me one of your own. Treat me like your sister,
Although they say I don't pay me, when I'm near ya, I'm a me, I'm right. Although they say I don't pay me, it's when I'm in a waiting from.
How you cool?
Although they say I don't pay me,
What is that? That's magic. Sorry, no, but one dream. Go dance, one dream.
How you cool?
Me wanna swim into Mingasa. Me do it, say I know me.
How you cool?
someone to call my own. Me and I make now I found someone.
And it's just about 7 more minutes to hit 2 p.m. And then your 20th day in the month of September 2023, the year of our Lord. Mami Chiawa utie me, onyam fomuso. Few messages coming through. Enyim rena min kai ubia messages enfamana. And this one is coming from Nana Ekuamwa Boating Enab. I say Nana Ekuamwa Boating Ablikuma Centra, aka Dr. Bumia, is coming. A very special birthday to Marina Morgan, student of Wesley Grammar. Do have a blissful day. Yes. Nana Ekuamwa Boating Ablikuma Centra. And a day messaging so by Gifty Eddie, I said, Nana Kwame, welcome. Keep up the good work, bro. Thank you so much, Gifty. And this one says, in fact, Nana, you are super duper. Keep it up. Thank you. Alright, Abushia, you're no way do on my water and now we do our water. Happy birthday, Shonko Crying, come on. One Ghanaian International Amidu Salifu. Yeah, one Zali a year 1992. Now, me no say you're a midfielder. Anna Obama Florentina. Amidu Salifu. Born a 20th day in the month of September 1992, and he wore a Ghanaian professional, Amidu Salifu, a Florentina, Italy, a Hona Sambrosina kind. We're taking it upon me once again. Mami Mao a awoda stronko, Minia a JP, John Peter. Today is your birthday. Bomadiani now could do 97.1. And to you, my brother, as well. Pakwesi AJ. It's your birthday today, 20th day in the month of September. Ebia Wuti, Minende or Awoda. Yeah, make I say happy birthday because you're playing come on. I might not know you in person, but send you a Tibiano. Happy birthday, Uncle Moby Beer and Wawoda. Have a blast day. Uber to me, friend, and I call me Perry. And my man, you know, I can't true in a man. And this one say your friend Maswell listening live across the Equiapim, my greatest to your Doya Kwamoso.
My life's never been the same since the day.
Alright, Abushia. My main father, the people's favorite, Emerald. Live on Okoma 97.1. We, hey, Ayuko. So I just say, yeah, Here you go, taxi driver, trotro driver. Me mamunyina, are you go? All right, I wish you would say the people's favorite. No one to me in Kebu, and I'm sorry to know the live worship idea, bro. But I said I can see it. And come on, me guest DJ, and the DJ is Wheezy. And then no more the other supporting was Studio Moha. I said I can see come on Nyam for a Kubua team, executive producer, Okore Ajaman. Samsona a Gideon too. To the entire staff. Like I said, Jumedian is being brought to you by Kanketisi, a Superb Lunch Ghana, or Matama, the biggest pool party in Bawa Kwemo, and a Saturday, Mampon, Kofi Kinata. Talimu. Yami Amani at Yasia. H9 Dafo for the mind. Remember, life in this world is a great struggle both for the young and old, and even those regret our riches our troubles on their own. Rich man envy poor men, and envy the rich there for what? is the sense in envy your neighbor. My way, enye wakania with the benante abribiara. I love you with the love of God. Miko.
Mami ya kuya mrambeshe Odebi say na meshe Kena nantu fefe Nina nusu de Oni madia me penti ya mfanka mimie Betine suwa I'm sorry me kwa mide Wapa makuma mutu Ni hunti binti nusu fiyemo Odebi sisi ya sumde Wapa makuma mutu Ni hunti binti nusu